So we decided, all right, you know, we're gonna go hunt these ducks in this cornfield. They're gonna get out of there.
It was an epic thing to see.
Hey, on the left, on the left. Here.
Well, just when we think we're done with, you know, the snow and ice, here comes another 2 or 3 inches of snow.
Reload!
All of a sudden, we've been sitting there 30 minutes, I hadn't killed nothing, and the teal just start flying in giant waves. Giant waves of teal, 30, 40, 50, 100, and they're just coming, and we're shooting.
So we're coming down to the last week of season, and it's safe to say that everybody is beat up, along with the ducks. They're tired of hearing us call, hunt them. They're just tired, just like we are.
Man, it's getting late. The ducks are they've just been pestered a lot at this point. They've been hunted a lot. They've been shot at a lot by everybody, not just us. So we're kind of winding her down and kind of excited for it to be over. It's right near the end, and you're just kind of wore out.
Well, just when we think we're done with, you know, the snow and ice, here comes another 2 or 3 inches of snow on top of this ice to never let it melt, it seems. And we're headed to hellhole. Everybody gets jacked up for snow days. And from our experience, if it's not a blizzard or a major front system, if it's just heavy snow, it's never what it's hyped up to be.
Boy, it's hard out here when you killing ducks.
We've got a peaceful snow. We have lots of ducks. I'm not a peaceful snow guy. I've just not had luck and no wind and torrential downpours of snowflakes. So what we're gonna do is sit in here and try to up our odds. Right now on snow hunts in my life, I'm like 3 for 15 when the wind's not blowing. So, but there is some ice, and as you can see, we've got the most beautiful 1.5 acre hole you've ever seen. So if they fly over, one thing the snow is going to do is make this brown water really stick out. So hopefully they like to drink some bourbon, get in here and pedal their feet. So get some fresh, clean water and go from there. But we're going to give it a whirl, see what happens.
Kill him. Shooters today, baby! This is gonna be fun. If they're swimming, kill them.
It was actually a decent hunt. You know, we didn't kill a ton of ducks, but it was quality. So I guess you could chalk it up as a win. You know, but we battled keeping that hole open pretty much the whole morning, running the boats back and forth in the hole, shutting the ice heaters on and off. Don't really know if the ducks, you know, if that bothered the ducks or not, but we really didn't see a ton, and that's exactly what we expected. Well, here comes, you know, a really weird warm front system where we think it's going to melt the ice.
We're like, you know, we'd been hunting hellhole and these ducks have been bouncing back, keeping a little spot in one of the cornfields open, and again, they're at the point in the season where there's no food left. They're just surviving, and that's just happened to be where they were sitting when it froze. There's a low swag on the, deep swag on the west side of the farm, and they're keeping it open, and it was thawing out, and it was thawing out fast. And so we decided, all right, you know, we're gonna go hunt these ducks in this cornfield. They're gonna get out of there. They you know, they're not gonna sit in that still, stagnant water they've been pissing and shitting in for a week. And so we're gonna go in there and be a little bit more aggressive and hunt them.
Bring down and out. Somebody tuck that in.
Yeah, this happens to be another hunt that we really hype up. We've got it in our minds that we're just gonna murder them. You know, we haven't touched these ducks pretty much all season long, but besides the last episode you guys saw in the corn. And we're excited. We got a good crew in. Frank's supposed to be going with us. Apparently he was on the floor asleep. He had a long night, along with a lot of other people. So we're all excited, and there is thousands of ducks jumping up. I mean, it was really cool to see.
I'm out of shells now.
So it's one of those things where, all right, we're gonna shoot him. Well, it wasn't one of those things. You know, when ducks get living in a cornfield, they get nearly impossible to kill. And they get to hitting certain spots, and they get to flying around blinds, and they get to landing out in the middle. It is not as easy as what people think.
Kill him, kill him.
Oh!
Sit.
That first hour was a full goat rope. Everybody in that pit, you know, seeing the ducks coming in, you automatically think this is going to be a limit. It's going to be an awesome hunt. Sun starts coming up, and there is not a breath of wind. And it's supposed to be like a 15-mile-an-hour south wind at daylight and sunny. Just not a breath of wind. Everybody, you know, Eric's in a bad mood. We don't have mojos. We forgot the DP. Everybody's hungover, so we send Charlie back to the burb to get the mojos. Nothing's right on this day. I mean, absolutely nothing's right.
What a goat rope. What a...
Has two.
It's so awesome.
Six has two. What? Can we put those little billy blankets on it?
Oh,
He got one. He got a black duck. Pretty sure.
All right, get ready, guys. Get your guns out. Get your guns out. Get your guns out. Get ready.
Nope.
Oh my God. Here we go.
We need a mojo.
Yes.
We got cute. On the right, on the right, on the right. Right here, right here. Yeah.
Get him! Sit. We get any?
Oh yeah, I killed two. I know
Jet.
that. You called it about 2 seconds.
Where? Here. All of a sudden, we've been sitting there 30 minutes, hadn't killed nothing, and the teal just start flying in giant waves. Giant waves of teal, 30, 40, 50, 100, and they're just coming, and we're shooting, and they're shooting, and just put the earphones on, we're gonna shoot darn teal.
We need to go get 8 mojo. Every mojo we got.
Right here, on the right. Dude, we gotta start going, Eric. You can't be curious.
Get him!
You know, this hunt won't be the prettiest thing you see, but just one of those things where there's nothing you could have done to convince those teal to come any closer. There was just a direct line. They knew what we were doing. They knew what they wanted to do. They wanted to land out in a little pocket out in the cornfield that they've been sitting in for 2 months during this whole freeze. And we were just SOL, and got to the point where I just had to keep making comments to Eric to tell him to call the shot, because it just wasn't one of those pretty hunts. So here they come, here they come, here they come. Out front, out front, out front, out front. Eric?
Get him!
Watching the two on the right, I didn't see the one in front.
Jet! Hey, get ready on the left.
A lot of ducks were flying. Very few were killed. There were actually, I take that back. We killed quite a few teal just recently. It's starting to get good, and there's a whole bunch of coots on there.
Kill it.
Get him!
You're here.
Get him! Let's go! Reload! Hey, on the left here.
On the right.
Here. Get him.
Kill that duck, kill that duck. Kill that duck. Let's go.
I like when you call the shot.
Yeah! AJ called the shot.
Get him. Oh, it got dope. Yeah, I don't know where that came from.
Kill that duck, kill that duck. No. Where? Decoys?
Kill it. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
Kill him.
Oh my God.
On the right, guys.
Ready.
Kill them too.
Right here, guys. Coming over the top. Over the back, AJ.
I mean, they probably these last groups of couple of groups of mallards.
Been big ones or what?
No, not yet. But what are we doing about this breakfast? I'm cooking it right now, but we need 2 ducks. Are y'all staying there? Do you want me to bring it there?
What do you want to do, Brad?
I don't care. Ask AJ.
AJ, what do you want to do? No, not. He didn't say no migrators yet or nothing. But I mean, they've got.
It's just now getting right. Yeah.
Like, has it been getting better as the morning went on, or just?
Yeah, like we had 6 ducks, and then now we're almost to a 4-man limit.
All right, we'll call you back. We'll call you back in 3 minutes. So we shoot, and it's about time to eat breakfast. We're probably halfway, 3/4 of our limit, and got all our bonus. And we're like, you know what? Let's go eat breakfast in blind 6. Those guys were done, so we went there, finished out our limit, ate breakfast, had a good time. Will and them are class acts as normal, as usual, shooting friendly, just make the job really fun and easy. So. What?
So it just so happened to be that Shane and Gerald were hunting blind 6. They were able to cook breakfast, keep breakfast in there, and then take their guys back to the crossroads. And it was real weird how it worked out because, you know, Will Joyner brings a big group every year. They know what our best blind is. And somehow 2 guys end up in the Can-Am to go to the best blind. And we just thought that was really weird. But heck, we're headed there now. So, you know, it's 9:30, 10 o'clock. We're going there to finish our limit. And we're going to end this season with a bang. Yeah, boy. No doubt.
Right on time.
Through here, boys.
I'm here, bro. Yeah, brother.
Yeah, keep going them right there.
Just 1, 2. Somebody better get a gun. Gun! We need 8 more.
Good shot, Charlie.
Thank you.
There you go, big dog.
Did you get that one?
Oh, yeah.
That's kind of how we ended it for the season. We're real close there at the end, and man, it was a heck of a time. The Ducks acted great. And
The 2024-2025 season showed us a lot. I mean, a lot, and it was an awesome year. Everybody had a blast, and guys, I appreciate everybody watching this show. Thanks for hanging along, supporting us, and you know, we're happy and blessed to be able to do this and call this our job. And it's pretty wild to me to have 18 episodes. I mean, that's just shows you how good the season was. So hopefully we can continue to do that and produce content for you guys. And once again, be sure to subscribe. We're gonna have turkey hunting, we're gonna have snow goose hunting, so make sure you follow along on the full show. Thanks, guys.